Hey everyone, it's Allie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a super simple last minute necklace for Mother's Day. This jewelry gift idea is a family birthstone necklace and you can totally modify it for other occasions and recipients. I was the one struggling with Mother's Day gift ideas this year, and I noticed that these necklaces can cost upwards of $40 on Etsy and other sites. So Mom, if you're watching this, please click away. You can totally add your own flair to this project to tailor each gift to the recipient, whether it's your mom, or friend, or even yourself. So without further ado, let's get into the tutorial. I spent approximately 15 Canadian dollars on the supplies required, excluding the tools. So in order to make this necklace, you're going to need some charms of your choice. Here I've selected a mom charm that I got from Michael's Crafts. I also purchased birthstone charms from Michael's Crafts. I purchased a pre-made necklace chain from Michael's Crafts, and this was 16 inches. The necklace chain I got came already with clasps and jump rings. However, you can save money and use something you already have, or you can make your own necklace chain using just chains, clasps, and jump rings. The last thing that you will need are pliers. You can find accessories like pliers at your local Dollar Tree, or I got mine from Michael's Crafts as well. After unwrapping the charms from their packaging, you can take your pliers and open up the jump ring on the charms and attach them to the necklace. The next step is to select the birthstones you want on the family necklace. This could be the recipient's birthstone, your own, your siblings, or whatever you choose. The birthstones I am selecting are for January, April, and September. I removed these from the packaging by opening the jump rings. Next, I attached each to the necklace, carefully closing the jump rings again with the jewelry pliers. Once you are done adding all the charms, you are done. In order to gift these necklaces, you can put them in a box, you can put them in an organza bag, on a necklace card, or whatever you choose. I know this tutorial was pretty short, and I hope it was helpful or inspiring for when you're in a pinch with a special occasion. I'm planning a ton of new videos to come out this summer, so let me know in the comments below what you'd like to see in a future video. If you have any comments or questions, I'll try my best to get back to you as soon as I can. If you guys try out this DIY, please tag me on Instagram at @knackforknots or use the hashtag #knackforknots. I'd really love to see your creations. I really hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial, and I'll see you next time.